Hi there. Welcome back to the PC Pal. If you're experiencing glitches, slowdowns, or other issues on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to use the System File Checker tool, also known as SFC Scannow, to repair corrupted or missing system files. Let's dive in. The SFC Scannow command is a built-in Windows utility that scans for and repairs corrupted system files. It's simple to use, and I'll guide you step by step. First, you need to open Command Prompt with administrator privileges. Click on the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type CMD into the search bar. Right-click on the Command Prompt result and select Run as Administrator. Make sure to run Command Prompt as an administrator. Otherwise, the tool won't work properly. Now that Command Prompt is open, type this command. And press Enter. The SFC Scannow command will start scanning your system files. This may take some time. Once the scan is complete, you'll see one of these results. No integrity violations found. Your system files are fine. Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and repaired them. The tool fixed the issues. Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. Additional steps may be required. If the tool was unable to fix some files, don't panic. You can try running the command again or use the DISM tool, which I'll cover in a future video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Before running SFC Scannow, it's a good idea to back up your data just in case. Also, ensure your system is up to date by installing the latest Windows updates. This can sometimes resolve the issues without needing to run the scan. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can use SFC Scannow to diagnose and fix issues on your Windows 11 system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the PC Pal for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy computing!